Hi guys, welcome to your favorite aptitude training program. In this capsule, we try to cover a question from time and distance. I'll read out the question. Walking at 5/6 of his usual rate, a man reaches his office 18 minutes late. Then find his usual time taken to reach the office. I'm repeating the question and let's note down what are the important points here. Walking at 5/6 of his usual rate, a man reaches his office 18 minutes late. Then find his usual time of reaching the office. So what he's saying, a person generally used to travel at V speed, but one particular day he traveled at 5/6 of his usual speed. I'm assuming this is his usual speed. Now he is late by how much time? 18 minutes late. He is late by 18 minutes. Now what he is asking is, okay, if he travels at his usual speed, in what time he reaches the office? He hasn't given the distance, he hasn't given actually what is the speed, or he's asking you to find at his usual speed in what time he reaches the office. How can we solve this question? Is there any formula or what is the approach? Here, if you just understand the concept of speed and time and the relation between distance, speed and the time, you can answer this question very quick. You already know that distance is equal to speed into time. What does that mean? When distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional. If I reduce the speed to half of the actual speed, the time taken would become 2 times. If I multiply speed with factor k, I need to multiply time with 1 by k because I am keeping the distance constant. So speed and time are inversely proportional. In this case, what he mentioned is this guy is traveling at 5/6 of his speed. So now what should happen to the time? Let's say usual time is t. When he travels at 5/6 of his usual speed, time taken should be when he travels at 5/6, v should be equal to 6/5 of usual time. That means how much time he is taking extra? 1/5 of the usual time he is taking extra. This is, I am writing extra time taken. Extra time taken is 1/5 of the usual time. If 1/5 of the usual time is 18 minutes, so time is how much? Which is equal to 18 minutes. So t is equal to simply 90 minutes. So that person actually takes 1.5 hours daily to travel to his office. I'll explain it once again. We are not using any formula or any concept over here. Just using common sense, we are able to answer it. A person is traveling generally at usual speed of v to go to his office, but on a particular day he went at 5/6 of his usual speed and he became late by 18 minutes. When the speed is changed by factor 5/6, time should change to 6/5 of usual time. That's what I have written because distance is constant. So time taken for traveling that particular distance is 6/5 of usual time. That means 1 by 5t is the extra time taken. If 1 by 5t is the extra time taken, that should be equal to 18 minutes because it's already given. He became late by 18 minutes. That means this is the extra time taken. 1 by 5t is equal to 18 minutes. T is equal to 90 minutes or 1.5 hours. So guys, sometimes it's not always about using formula or a traditional approach. You just use the common sense and you can answer questions faster. We'll be coming up with more such interesting questions and the smart ways of solving them. Stay tuned.